Hello, boys and girls, and welcome back to my classroom. I have a new backdrop today. What do you think about the dinosaurs? Do you like dinosaurs? Yes, well, today's story is not about dinosaurs. It is another Pout-Pout fish story. Today, we're going to talk about rhyming words. What are rhyming words? Rhyming words are words that have the same ending sound, like cat, bat, cat, bat, hat, sat. Wow, great job. Here are some rhyming words in the story we're going to read. Boys and girls, there are lots of rhyming words in this story. This is only a few. Let's see, we have wide, side, awe, saw, tell, well, do, to, supplies, eyes, bright, sight, loud, crowd, rig, big. So, boys and girls, what I want you to do when I'm reading this story is give me a thumbs up when you hear rhyming words. Okay, let's find out the story today. This is The Pout-Pout Fish Cleans Up the Ocean, and it is by Deborah Diesen, and the pictures are by Dan Hanna. Wow, I love Pout-Pout fish stories. They're so much fun. Do you know what holiday is coming up on April 22nd? It is called Earth Day. Now, it's not really a holiday that we take off from school or that we celebrate big with decorations and presents and things, but this holiday is a time where we can celebrate the earth by cleaning up and helping in our communities. So, let's find out what Pout-Pout fish does. Do you think he cleans up the ocean? Let's see. Oh no, look at that picture. Oh. Okay, ready? The ocean is amazing. Mr. Fish's grin was wide. The beautiful surroundings left him wonderstruck inside. His head was full of happy, and his heart was full of awe. But his smile sank away when he turned around and saw. Uh-oh, what do you think he's going to see? A big, big mess. Whatever could it be? But he couldn't really tell, so he talked with a friend who hadn't noticed it as well. There's a problem that needs solving, and I don't know what to do, but I'm going to find some answers. Would you like to join me too? Absolutely, said Miss Shimmer as she grabbed a few supplies. They traveled to the mystery mess and see with their own eyes. Swimming off, they were enchanted by the ocean big and bright, but looming in the distance was that dark, dismal sight. A big, big mess. What's it made of? They both wondered, and they pondered this out loud. Around them, others gathered in a small but growing crowd. There's a problem that needs solving, and we don't know what to do, but we're going to find some answers. Would you like to join us too? Count us in, said Mr. Seahorse, and he powered up his rig. Enthusiasm bubbled. Yes, the group was getting big. Wow, what are they all going to do? They jetted through the ocean in a peaceful sort of bliss, but the thing that stretched before them was impossible to miss. A big, big mess. Oh. Oh no. Can you say that? A big, big mess. I heard some rhyming words. Bliss, miss. Thumbs up. Who will fix it? Fish were asking, hoping someone else would know. There was lots of conversation as they traveled with the flow. There's a problem that needs solving, and we don't know what to do, but we're going to find some answers. Would you like to join us too? Boys and girls, what's the problem? Yes, there's a big, big mess in the ocean. Can you see all the trash? Oh no. I heard some more rhyming words. No flow. Do too. Great job, boys and girls. All as one, said Mrs. Squid as she swished away some junk. The group continued forward toward the nearing pile of gunk. Junk, gunk. They reached the mystery mess. They took measurements and samples. They made notes and they did research. They found similar examples. When everyone was finished, they assembled to discuss. They came to one conclusion. The problem is... what is the problem? Us! We made the big, big mess. Oh, no. They froze in disbelief. Then they all began to shout, feeling troubled and uneasy, and some began to pout. They made this big, big mess. What do you think they can do? They need to clean up. Were they stuck with this forever? Would it worsen? Would it grow? Mr. Fish was worried too. But there's one thing that I know. It's awful that we caused it, but this bad news can be good, for it means that we can solve it if we all agree we should. Good, should, grow, no. Good job. Silence filled the ocean. Their future was at stake. It was a moment of decision. But which one would they make? A big, big yes. They're going to clean up. We can do it, they exclaimed, positively yes and yep. So they all pitched in together and they cleaned the ocean up. Wow, great job. Can you tell Pout-Pout Fish and his friends they're doing a great job? They gathered up the garbage with the help of everyone. They worked hard to fix and remedy the damage that they'd done. Well, they're still cleaning. Where is that vacuum? Do you think they can really vacuum in the water? It must be a special vacuum. Oh, that's funny. Then they talked about new habits, how to travel with less trace, and reduce their use of plastic and put trash into its right place. Problems have solutions, so we learn what we can do. Together, we're the answer. Would you like to join us too? Wow, that is a terrific story, boys and girls. I think it is very important to help clean up the ocean, clean up the earth, especially on Earth Day. What can you do to help clean up the earth? Maybe ask your mom and dad. Make sure if it's something dirty, you use gloves or wash your hands after. But some people like to go and clean up the yard, maybe go and clean up a little area in the community together, maybe a beach cleanup. I don't know. But let me know what you think. Post some ideas below. Or post them in the classroom, wherever you are watching this video. Okay, boys and girls, you are terrific listeners, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.